Alright, so I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet, and it's only going to pertain to either commercial motor vehicle drivers or if you are an employer who employs commercial motor vehicle drivers. It is an update to this temporary waiver that the FMCSA put in place after the debacle of the rollout of this NR2 system. I just recently did a complete video on the NR2 system. Check that video out if you want all of the details. But in that video, I mentioned that there was a waiver in place and it was expiring in October 13th specifically. So that waiver has been extended. So in this video, I just want to update you very briefly on what that waiver covers. So the NR2 system basically is a system where the medical examiner can directly update the FMCSA with your DOT physical information, and then that information get transmitted directly to the state driver's license agency and updates your CDL without you having to take the physical card into the driver's license agency. That's how it's supposed to work. There's been a number of hiccups, all of which I mentioned in that previous video, but one of the hiccups was that when we submit the information into this NR2 system, it was taking like a week or 2 weeks to actually update the driver's CDL. So the problem with that is if a driver comes in the day before they expire, 2 days, 3 days before they expire, and this is what drivers do. I've been doing physicals for a very, very long time now, and drivers take their physical exam, their DOT physical, right before it expires. They don't plan it weeks in advance. So if they were doing that, taking the exam 1, 2, 3 days before, and then we were entering their information into this NR2 system, the NR2 system was not updating their CDL right away, so they were looking like they were expired for like a week, maybe up to 2 weeks. So what was supposed to happen is we put the driver into this NR2 system and we do not give them a medical card because they don't need the medical card. They can't take the medical card into the driver's license agency. They can't use the medical card to prove that they passed the exam. Again, I explained why in that other video, but we weren't supposed to issue the medical card. This waiver got put into place where we are now back to supposed to issue the medical card to every driver that comes in, and the reason is that they need that medical card if they are going to expire within the next 1 or 2 weeks to be able to prove that they pass this exam while the system updates. And they actually give you up to 60 days. So you can use the medical card to prove that you passed the DOT physical for up to 60 days after it is issued to you. And then, again, it is no good. But it basically covers the period of time that the computers are doing whatever they're doing, talking to each other behind the scenes and updating your CDL. So that's the reason for it. I guess they have not yet gotten that computer glitch or whatever it is. I mean, it seems like something they just didn't plan for, that the computer systems won't update your CDL right away, but they have not gotten it figured out yet. So they have extended that waiver from October 13th, which is when it was supposed to expire, to January 10th of next year. So you can still use your DOT medical card, the medical certificate, and it should be issued to you after every DOT physical for 60 days after it's issued to prove that you passed the DOT physical, and then you can no longer use it to prove that you've passed the physical. Your CDL should be updated by then. That's the hope. Who knows if this will be extended further? I will make another update, hopefully a very short one if it is. And until next time, everybody, stay safe.